Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to solve this math problem. 5 plus 5 times 5 whole divided by 5. First we start with the incorrect path just for fun. 5 plus 5 gives us 10, then times 5 over 5. 10 times 5 equals 50, and 50 divided by 5 equals 10. But this answer is incorrect. Now, the correct path. According to PEMDAS, we must do multiplication first before the addition. So 5 times 5 equals 25, and 5 plus 25 whole divided by 5. And this is equal to 5 plus 25 equals 30, and 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So the correct answer to this problem is equal to 6.